My name is Jatin Bhatia. This is video for assignment 4. Question to the answer. Question 1 is, what is the difference between EAR and APR? Why should you not use the APR to discount your cash flow? APR stands for annual percentage of rate. APR shows us the amount of interest that is earned in 1 year without any compounding effect. EAR stands for effective percentage of rate. Effective APR also. EAR shows actual amount of interest rate is earned in end of the year. These are the description of the annually interest rate rather than the monthly rate calculated on a loan or mortgage. The term carries legal judiciary in some countries, but speaking generally, APR is the simple interest rate per year, while EAR is a compound interest year plus a fee calculated across a year. APR is calculated as the rate of the payment period multiplied by the number of payment periods in a year. However, the precise definition of EAR varies is given each given judiciary depending on the type of fee that may apply as monthly service charges, participation fee, or loan originating fees. And question number 2 is explain the relationship between interest rate and first is risk. If interest rate increases, risk also increases. B is term of borrowing. If loan term of borrowing, interest rate high. Size of the loan. If size of the loan is big, then the interest rate is high, or and vice versa. Tax. If tax is higher, then interest is low. And inflation increase, then interest also increases. Question number 3. Let me share the screen. Yes. Question number 3. Assume EAR is equal to the hour of sleep you had last night. Last night I slept 8 hours. So EAR is 8%. Quarterly, formula is 1 plus R power n minus 1 is equal to the R. 1 plus 0.08 is power 1 by 4 quarterly, that is 1.94%. Monthly 1 by 12 power, that is 6.44%. And semi effective rates is 1 plus 0.808 and power is 1 divided by 2. Semi, because in 12 month we have two semi annuals, like 6 months. So 3.93%. And question number 4 is write your first name. Assume APR is equal to the number of the letter in your name. If APR is monthly compounding, what is the Jatin? I take my name is Jatin. That's why I take JAT again. APR 5 words. That's why I take 5%. Effectively monthly interest rate is APR divided by 12. 5 divided by 12 is 0.416 is equal to 0.4%. What is the EAR? EAR is 1 plus 0.004 that came from R value, effective monthly interest rate, and power 1 by 12, 1 minus 1 is equal to 4.9%. Which option do you prefer? Option A is bank account pays 8% per year EAR for 3 years. Future value is $200. That's 3 years. Option 1 is formula is this 200 future value, and 2 1 plus 0.08 is the percentage pays interest, and for 3 year power is 351 $24. And B is option B is 200, 1 plus 0.04 power 6 because of 6 month for a 3 year. So interest rate is 0.04%, 253.063. And option 3 is bank account is 0.8 per month for 3 year. 0.8 and 200, 0.8% is interest. R is equal to 200 into 1 plus 0.008 and power is 36, that is 266.445. Obviously we choose option 3 because future value is higher than option 2 or an option 2 and option 1. Sorry, here 1. Suppose you have three investment choices for 1 year deposit. Compute the EAR for each investment. Assume that there are 365 days in the year. First is 10% APR compounded. Monthly is this EAR 1 plus 0.0083 divided by 12. Power 12 minus divided minus 1 is 0.104. That is 10.4%, and second is 12%. APR divided by 1, 12 divided by 1 is 12%. EAR is 1 plus 0.12 minus 1 is 12%. AAR is again 1 plus 0.00022. 365 minus 1 is 0.083, 8.4%. And question number 7, its EAR is equal to the number of letter if your family name. What is the APR compounded interest? Jatin, EAR 5%, 1 plus APR by divided by 12 divided by 12 power 12, 1 plus 1 divided by 12, 1 plus AR, 1 plus APR divided by 12, 1 plus is equal to this is 1.004 minus 1 into 12, 0.048, 4.8%. Question number 8 is assume AR is the same question in question number 7. R, the monthly, is equal to 1 plus 0.05 power 1 by 12 minus 1 is equal to 0.0040 is equal to 4%. How much money do you have to save end of the year monthly if you have accumulated 45,000 in 3 months? Time is 1 month, 3 month, 2 month, 3 month until 36 months. PV formula is PVC divided by R monthly and into 1 plus R monthly and power n minus 1. 15,000 0.0040 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.0040 power 36, that is 428.57. Write down your ID, calculate X is the sum of the digit in your ID. If the student ID is 1912011, suppose you get your bank offering X percentage APR compounding to the how many of the ID is 1718080. So 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 8 0 plus 0 is 25%. Now of the cash, and this is the formula. APR divided by 12 is equal to 2.083, 2.08 percentage, and C is equal to, this is the formula, 20 lakh into 2.083 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 2.083 and power 12 24, that is 2,26,508.19. What is question number 10? What is the outstanding loan is made payment for 1 year? Question number 9. Amount is OLB is this is the formula, and our C's came 226,508.16 divided by 2.83 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. This is the interest rate, 2.83 divided by power 12 is equal to 0.99, and our answer is 10,000. No, 100,000, 8,740.852. Our Shinshan Bank is offering 2.5 annual interest for the saving account in the inflation rate in Korea, 1.5 per year. What is the real interest rate? Which is the meaning of real interest rate? R is R minus 1, R minus I, 2.5 percentage minus 1.5% is 1%. Real interest rate is taking into account the inflation rate. Question number 12 on the basis of data. So my birth date is 1999, 10, 18 is Sunday. So I had choose 8. Construct the yield curve in Excel, yield curve in there, and show the graph. Put the terms on the horizontal axis, yield rate on the vertical axis, date, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, 1 year, like that. And this is data I took by sniping tool. This is data, and I make this graph in Excel. This is increasing, positive. What is the yield curve says about expectation of future economics? Businesses have positive expectations. Economics growth increases. Companies invest money. People will earn money. Household will consume. Interest rate, and obviously interest rate will increase in the future. Employment rate increases. That's when people fulfill their need by spending more. And question number 13 is yield curve rate provide interest rate floors. Explain. Yield curves constructed using risk-free interest rate. And as we know, the higher risk than higher interest rate, it's mean yielding the curve providing a minimum amount of interest when we apply our investment evaluation process. And question number 14 is you want to invest, save money for 1 year to option 1, this option 2, and choose if the tax rate is 20%, the option would you choose. Option number 1 is bank 8% taxable, then EAR is 6.64 and 6.6 tax rate. I want to choose option 2 because that is better than option 1. Option 1. And question number 15, explain what the opportunity cost of capital is and how do you choose the opportunity cost of capital for your financial decision making. Answer is opportunity cost represent the benefit an individual investor or misses out on when choosing on one alternative or other another. While financial reports don't show opportunity cost, business owners can use the educated decision. Multiple options. We have multiple options before them, and bottleneck are often a cause of opportunity cost. The goal of the management is value-oriented company is to increase the long-term condition of its shareholder. It's a long-term relation between a shareholder and the company. This means achieving is higher interest rate, higher return on investment than the return that shareholder get elsewhere by investing in project at the same level of risk. When calculating the NPV and net profit value of the investment proposal, we use the estimated opportunity cost of capital discount rate. And opportunity cost of capital is the alternative income expressed and the interest rate which investor miss out or when making an investment. When the NPV is positive, the investment increase its value, but its return are then the opportunity cost of the capital. If the NPV is negative, the investment decreases its value because its return is less than the opportunity cost of the capital. Thank you so much for your attention, Professor.